Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module we are going to discuss what are the solutions for third question, that is 10, 35 and 40. So by using prime factorization method, we have to find prime factorization for all this. 2 5s are. So 2 5s are 10. So 5 is a prime number, you can write 5 ones are. Then 10 always you can write in the format of 2 into 5. Then take it as 35. So 35 is divisible by 2 or not? No, it is not divisible by 2. Then you have to check with the 3. Then here we have to check 3 also, it is not divisible by 3. Then you have to go with 5. Then 5 sevens are, then 7 ones are. So 35 you can write in the format of 5 into 7. Then 40 divide with prime factors. So it is obviously divisible by 2. So 2 2s are, 2 20s are, that is 2 20s are. Then again 2 10s are, again you can take it as 2 5s are, then 5 1s are. So 40 you can take it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 5. Then what is the common factors in all? So what are the common factors? So what you can take it as here. So let's take common factor in all that is, so here what is the common factor? 5 here is there, then here also 5 is there, here also 5 is there. Is there any other than this? So here 2 is there, but here also 2 is there, but here it is not there. So obviously HCF of, what you can say here is HCF of 10, 35 and 40 will be equal to 5. This is the method to solve in prime factorization method. Then long division, that is continued division method, we are going to check now. So continuation division method is, let's take 10 and 35. So 10 and 35. In this highest number is 35. Please divide with 35 with 10. So 35 divided with 10. So 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30. So 30. Then what is the subtraction? 5. Again we have to divide with this remainder, that is as divisor, with this 10. So 10. 5 twos are 10. So wherever we are getting remainder, that divisor is HCF. So here SCF will be equal to 5. Therefore what you can say here is SCF of 10 and 35 will be equal to 5. Then what is the remaining one? 40. We have to take HCF of 40 and HCF of, so HCF of 10 and 35, that will be equal to 5. So with 40 and 5, so 40 is divided with 5. 5 8s are 40. So we got remainder as 0, then this as HCF. Then what you can say here is HCF of 10, 35 and 40 will be equal to 5. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module we are going to discuss fourth question, that is 32, 64, 96 and 128. For this we have to calculate HCF by using prime factorization method. So our first one is, take 32. It will go with 2 or not, we have to check. Yes, it is well divisible by 2. Yes, 2 1s are, 2 6 are. Again it will be divisible by prime numbers 2, that is 2 8s are. Then again 2 4s are, then again 2 2s are. So you can write 32 as, so I'll write here 32 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 2s will be there in multiplication. Next 64. So 2 with it is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are. Then again we'll go with 2 2 16s are. So as I told, 2 4s are, then 2 2s are. So for 64 we'll have one more 2 is extra. So 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. So how many 6 2's are there? Next 96. Then it is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, 2 4's are 8, 2 8's are 16. Then 2 2's are 2 4's are. Then again 2 1's are 2 2's are, that is 12 2's are 24. Then 2 6's are, then what you will get? 2 3's are. So finally 3 is prime number, we can stop it here. So 96 you can write in the format of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 5 2's, again 1 3 is there. Then 128. So we can take it as 2 2 6 are 12, 2 4's are. So 64 2's are 128. Then 2 2 3's are 2 2's are. Then what you will get? 2 16's are. Again 2 8's are. Then 2 4's are. Then 2 2's are. So what you will get? 128 will be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 2's, then again 2 into 2 into 2. So here how many 2's are there? 7 2's are there. So what is the highest common factor is? What value is a common here? So what value here common is? Actually, so here common value is, let's take how many 2's are there? 2 into 2 into. So everywhere 4 2's are there commonly. 4 2's, 5 2's are there. Then here, so let's take 5 2's. Then here also 1 2 3 4 5 2's are there. Here also commonly 1 2 3 4 5. Then here up to here. So what is the highest common factor here? So HCF of 32, 64, 96 and 128 will be equal to, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So what you will get? 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 4's are, that is 32. So what is the highest common factor? That is 32. Our next method is, so what is the next method is, so what are the numbers here is 32, 64. So what are the numbers? 32, 64 and 96 and 128. So 96 and 128. So here what is the method here is continued division method. So we have to divide all the numbers with 1 by 1. So what is that is, let's take two numbers, that is 32 and 64. So 64 is the highest, divide 64 with 32. So 32 ones are 32 2's are, then 64. So what you will get? 32 0. Here SCF is, so SCF of 32 and 64 will be equal to 32. Then next one we have to take it as another one. What is that here is, so we have to take, for next one is 96. So 96 and we have to take HCF of 32 and 64. What is that? 32 and 64? 32. So let's take 96 and 32. So divide with 32, 96 by 32. So 32 ones are 32 2's are 30. So what is that? 32 3's are, what you will get? 32 3's are 96. So we are getting 96 as it is. So here 32 is there. Then HCF of, what you can take it as, HCF of 96 and 32 will be equal to 32. This is the value. Then our next one is, so what is our next one here is, so we have to take 128. So 128 and HCF of 96 and 32, that is 32. So let's take 120 is divided with 32. So 128 is divided with 32 means how it will be? By So 32 ones are 32 fours are. So 4 twos are 8, 4 is 12. So 32 fours are 128. Here we are getting 0, reminder, where divisor will be HCF value. Then HCF of 128 and 32, highest common factor is 32. Then finally what you can write here is, so what is the value, final value is, what you can take it as HCF value of, so HCF of 32, 64, 96 and 128 will be equal to 32. So continuously you can go for so many numbers like 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, all the numbers you can go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.